Hey, welcome to Car Lab Detailers, Northern Colorado's premium paint protection studio. Here, you're not just another vehicle. You're allowing us to work on something that matters. Our team can handle everything from paint correction to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and even luxury detailing. In our facility, every service is done in a controlled environment to ensure consistency, quality, and long-term value. Because the best results require the best conditions. When we install ceramic coatings, we only use the highest grade microfiber towels, and we choose a coating that's gonna fit your needs. When we install paint protection film, we do it completely seamless, using precision cutting to wrap all of the edges that are possible. This allows for a cleaner install, as well as better durability against daily wear. And it's gonna make the film nearly invisible on the paint. Every product that we install is carefully selected for performance, durability, and long-term value. No shortcuts, no rushed installs, just protection that lasts. Throughout your service, we're gonna send you personalized videos and pictures so that you always know what's happening to your vehicle, because transparency is very important to us. When your vehicle is ready, we're gonna walk you step by step on how to maintain it, as well as answer any questions that you may have, and give you a little gift on us. Our goal isn't just results. It's making sure that you leave here with confidence, feeling taken care of, and excited to come see us in the future. We also offer a shuttle service and pickup options so that dropping your vehicle off with us is always a seamless experience. If you're wondering where to take your vehicle for premium paint protection film, ceramic coatings, or luxury detailing, let Car Lab show you an experience like no other.